Psalm 118, verse 17. I shall not die, but live, and declare the works of the Lord. 18. The Lord has chastened me severely, but he has not given me over to death. The Lord has chastened me severely, but he has not given me over to death. I shall not die, but live, and declare the works of the Lord. The Lord chastens us, or disciplines us, or corrects us, but never allows us to die because of discipline, because of correction, because of chastisement. We will not die. There is a comparison in Jeremiah chapter 46, verse 28. Ungodly people are punished and they are destroyed by God. God finishes them off as a punishment, whereas God corrects his people. God never punishes his people. God never destroys his people. God corrects rightly. God rightly corrects his people. God disciplines his people. So, correction, discipline is different from punishment. Punishment is for ungodly people. To ungodly people, God is a judge. For godly people, God is Father. When a godly people makes mistake, God corrects them, disciplines them, chastens them. But when ungodly people they commit sin, God punishes them. In one point, God destroys them. When He corrects us, when He disciplines us, when He chastens us like a father, the fatherly correction, not a punishment of a judge, but a fatherly correction. He never allows us to die. When we are corrected, we will not die. When we are disciplined by God, we will not die. God never allows it. So we shall live and proclaim His works. How we are disciplined, how we are corrected. Verse 5, I called on the Lord in distress. The Lord answered me and set me in a broad place. God allows distress, or I was hard pressed. A better translation, it is like this: I was hard pressed. I was pressed. I was pressurized. I was in the midst of pressures. I was pressed by sickness, or I was pressed by financial problems. God allowed those pressures. But when I called the Lord answered me and set me in a broad place. He never allowed me to die due to sickness. He never allowed me to die due to financial problems. But He answered me and set me in a broad place. He healed me. He provided my needs. The second kind of correction or fatherly discipline is in verse 13. You pushed me violently that I might fall, but the Lord helped me. God allows us to be pushed by men and fall. We may have a fall. God may allow us to be pushed violently by somebody. We may fall, but we will not die. We may fall. We may be pushed to the ground by somebody, but we will not die. God will not allow us to die. We will live and proclaim and declare the works of the Lord. Why we are alive today? We were corrected. Instead of punished, we were corrected. Instead of being destroyed, we were being disciplined. God never allowed us to die. If we were ungodly, we might have died. If we were ungodly, we might have faced punishment and we might have died. Because we are godly, because we are His children, God disciplined us and corrected us and kept us alive. Because He has kept us alive, because He has extended our lifetime, because He has added days to our lifetime, we have to declare the works of the Lord. The purpose of our rest of lifetime is to declare the works of the Lord to our relatives, to our friends, to our neighbors, to our colleagues, to whomever we come across. We have to share the works of the Lord, the works that He did in our lives, how He corrected us, how He disciplined us, how He saved us from death. We have to share that to others. That is the purpose, that is the reason of our living. Amen.